Today I'm sharing a treasure-level head massage technique. Hurry and save it. Alright, first step. Press on this point. Make 30 clockwise circles. Make 30 counterclockwise circles. Good. Second technique. Turn your hand over, press on this spot. Apply pressure as you sink down. "30 circles clockwise. Then move in this direction. Alright, ease up the pressure. Move in this direction. Do 3 sets back and forth. Now the second action is very important. At this point, use your fingers. Knead with your thumbs 30 times. Pay close attention to this detail. Alright, this is crucial. Push in this direction. Push in this direction. "30 times from top to bottom. Both sides are the same. After reaching this position, knead this spot 30 times. After finishing 30 times, repeat it. Push down from this direction. This is a treasure-level, exclusive head massage technique. If you find it helpful, feel free to leave a comment. Alright, 30 times from top to bottom to this spot, 30 times. Now this step is very key. Place your thumbs on this spot. Alright, do this. This is a technique everyone usually knows. Watch me do it. Do about 30 times. After that, find the exact center of your head. Press on this spot. Move in this direction with both thumbs. Slide upwards to this area. Good. Slide up 10 times. Alright, slide up from this direction. Just like this, slide 10 times. After finishing, move from both sides to this area. We just worked on 4 spots in the front. Now we're focusing on this area. Move from both sides. Do it to the sides 10 times. This can relieve migraines and boost immunity. From here, push down. Then support this area of the head. Once supported, push down from this direction. Rub with your palm down to this spot. Alright, from this direction, rub down. To this spot, do it 10 times, each time starting from this area and going down. How comfortable is it? Only those who do it will know.
Home back meridian massage techniques. Step 1. Lift and pull the Daswi acupoint area. Step 2. Divide and push the trapezius muscles on both sides. Strengthen with finger knuckles. Step 3. Divide and push the scapular bone seams on both sides. Point knead the Tianzong acupoint. Step 4. Push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Step 5. Straight push the governing vessel in the middle. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Step 6. Clench fists and rub the entire back until warm with finger knuckles. Finally, soothe and relax the back muscles. Our arms have 3 meridians, which are the heart meridian, pericardium meridian, and lung meridian. You can unclog your arms like this if they feel sore, swollen, numb, or tingling. First step, put your thumbs together and first push along our pericardium meridian towards the middle finger of the palm. Second step, push along the heart meridian on the inside of our arm towards the little finger of the palm. Third step, push along the lung meridian on the outside of our arm towards the thumb of the palm. Fourth step, use the thumb pads from top to bottom to push and knead the entire arm. Fifth step, after pushing, use the palm of your hand to grasp and knead the entire arm. Sixth step, make a fist and repeatedly push the entire arm with your knuckles until you reach the fingers. Did you learn this simple technique?
Hand meridian stimulation. Step 1. Use both thumbs to push outward. Step 2. Use your thumbs to knead and press the finger joints. First, pull sideways. Then pull forward. The massage technique is the same for all 5 fingers. Step 3. Use your thumbs to knead the palm, then push outward. Pull from the palm outward, all the way to the little finger and thumb, then to the index finger and ring finger, and finally to the middle finger. Step 4. Interlock your fingers and shake your hands left and right.
Today, I'm sharing an incredibly relaxing abdominal massage technique. First, evenly apply massage oil to the abdomen. Step 1. Palm push. Step 2. Index finger press and push. Step 3. Alternate knuckle pushing in the middle. Then push on both sides. Step 4. Thumb spreading. Step 5. Circular kneading and pressing. Step 6. Palm push along the inguinal groove and belt meridian on both sides. After finishing one side, do the other side. One hand soothes while the other hand pushes. Step 7. Soothe and relax the entire abdomen. Step 8. Palm kneading around the navel. Step 9. Overlap your palms and use your fingertips to make small circular presses. Finally, expel gas.
Calf relaxation. Step 1. Push the midline with thumbs side by side, then retract. Step 2. Push outwards from the midline to both sides. Step 3. Pluck and knead the muscles on the left and right sides. Step 4. Push horizontally with 2 fingers side by side, then retract. Step 5. Alternately perform Z-shaped pushes. Step 6. Alternately push left and right. Struggling with sleep or feeling stressed? A simple daily foot massage might be surprisingly helpful for your internal balance. It can help calm your nervous system, which can lead to better sleep. It also helps your body adapt to changes and encourages your inner systems to find their natural rhythm. It's a gentle way to support your body's core functions and feel better from the inside out.